Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm keeping cool. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also keeping good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, could I ask you some questions?
Why not?
Could you please answer me?
Answer sure.
Okay, what's it?
It's a marker.
Is it yours?
No, it's not mine. Rather, it's yours.
Oh, that sounds good. What's it, my dear?
It's a duster.
Where is it?
The duster is on the high bench.
The duster is?
On the high bench.
Okay, where is your cell phone?
My cell phone is on the high bench.
Okay, is there any fan?
Yes, there is a fan.
Okay, what's it above your head? Or what's it above my head?
Okay. The fan is above your head.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay, what color is it?
It's black.
Okay, is it black?
No, it's not black. Rather, it's white.
Rather it's
White.
what? Is it a t-shirt?
No, it's not t-shirt. Rather, it's long shirt.
Okay, is it mine?
No, it's not mine. It's not yours. Rather, it's mine.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay, where is your notebook?
My notebook is on the high bench.
Okay, your notebook is on the...
High bench.
What's it behind me?
The wall is behind you.
What's it behind you?
The wall is behind me.
Okay, who is in front of you?
You are in front of me.
Am I really in front of you?
Yes, you are really in front of me.
Okay, that sounds good. Am I baby?
No, you are not baby. Rather, you are adult. Even you are a teacher.
Okay. Am I villain?
No, you are not villain. Rather, you are a teacher.
Okay, are you villain?
No, I'm not teacher. I'm not. I'm not villain. Rather, I'm a student.
Okay, that sounds good. Give a big hand. Thank you very much. That's fine. Carry on. Yeah.
Is it? It's a.
Please speak out. Speak out. Speak up. Speak up.
Where is the key?
What's it black?
Where is the key?
Is it a pen? Is it?
Is it black?
Continue.
Where are the keys?
The key.
Keys.
High bench.
The key is on the high bench.
Key is on the high bench.
Okay, carry on.
Where is the wallet?
Who is in front of mine?
Who is in front of you?
In front of mine? Pen, rather.
You are
You are in front of me.
good. Good job. Carry on.
What it is? Is it a marker?
No.
It's not a.
marker.
Rather,
Rather, it's a pen.
rather it's a pen. Good job. Carry on. That sounds good.
Is it used?
Well done. Well done.
It on the high bench.
Again, please.
Is it a
Where is the wallet?
Where is the wallet?
Wallet.
the
Wallet is on the.
on the high bench.
Good job. Carry
Where
on.
is the notebook?
What's it above your head?
What's it above your head?
The pen is high bench.
Is there any fan? The
Your
rope.
wallet. The sling. Is it your
The rope is
The rope is
above my.